Warning. The following informational video is intended for dent repair technicians. If you are not the intended audience for such a video, be aware that the verbiage is meant for those with a working knowledge of the trade. Thank you.
I just want to talk to you today about the Dent Vision Knockdown. You might have seen it. Notice a little bit different is it has this. Now, I have the Galaxy tip on it from Hudson because it does, here's the great thing about it, is it has these Guardians of the Galaxy that goes over the top of it for a broader hit, and they have 3 different durometers, like different thicknesses and different hardnesses of these caps to give you different hits. So I'm teaming it up with this Dent Vision Knockdown today, and here's what I'm saying is I talk a lot about things that don't wear and tear on your body. It's funny, it's nothing I ever thought about, but the shock of using a knockdown going through your hands and up your arm, never really thought about it. And it's crazy because once I started using this and then I go back to a regular knockdown, I'm like, holy crap, that's a lot of vibration going through my arm at all times. Another thing I've come to find though is I'm actually way more accurate with it. Because here, let me show you this, is when I'm going to knock down now, is I just hold it in place and it goes down on it, onto it. Versus when I do a normal knockdown, when I'm hitting it, all that shock and vibration is causing that, it can cause that knockdown to kind of move on you. But this, I just hold it in place and just straight up dead on every single time. Another thing is since that I am just holding it in place and going straight down with it, it's just a straight up and down motion, I'm getting a lot less marking on the paint and things like that. So it's a pretty neat little thing here. I'm really enjoying it. I didn't think I would. I thought it was a little gimmicky, but honestly, it's not. It's I would recommend everyone getting one, quite honestly. And then this Galaxy tip from Hudson. It's like a VIP tip, but it's a little bit less thick, and it has those caps that really set it over the edge for it. So it's a great killer combo here. Another great thing is, so I don't like holding my tip really far off the top. So inside here is a Allen wrench key that you can adjust, and so you can bring the head down or up more. I have it as far up as it'll go because that's just what I like, but it is adjustable. A lot of people don't seem to realize that, but I was talking to the guy who made it. It's adjustable. So seriously, it's not gimmicky. It's actually pretty great. This is about 2 weeks of wear on it. So I've been using it for 2 weeks now, and it's holding up pretty good. Starting to mushroom out a little bit, but honestly, that's not that big a deal. All my knockdowns do that. So, Dent Vision at Hudson and Guardian tip. Check them out.